apate usaidizi.
Kauke gwenge mag Naivasha odhi gwenge mag Nyanza, jopur niang' kod chele gwenge mag Nyanza yuago pek yudo mbolea manengo gi olwar mabiro konyogi e pidho niang' kod ochele. Bende giyuago nok mar kembe marego chele mano maseyo ka broka mawuok e pinje mag Uganda mayogi kuom ng'iyo gi nengo molwar. E kinde romo kod jatend migawo matudruok kod lony manyasani Owalo, bende giyuago rem bedo kod riwruok maken ratichgi mabiro chwalo ng'ur magi kod paro magi e bero sekta no. Owalo yango ni romono ne en mar keto kenge mar tego chumi gwenge mag Nyanza.
Number one is to switch off to mute all our phones. Erukamano, aparo ni wachako wadeko.
Rice farmers across the region are pleading for support in form of farm inputs, which includes quality seeds and fertilizer. In Oluch Kimira irrigation scheme, farmers recently suffered severe damage of the crop by hailstones and are in dire need of support of whatever magnitude.
Today, sugar industry is suffering, like Michael just said, because there is no fund. There is no fund to help develop sugarcane. Under sugar board, there was that levy of 4%. That levy of 4% was brought together, and it was in terms of billions, which was able to help factory rehabilitation, it was able to help cane development, it was able to help infrastructure, it was able to support the sugar research.
They told me that we need to arrange a meeting with the minister. But I told them that the solution is not a meeting with the minister. The solution is, first of all, to listen to the farmers, to understand the challenges and the problems that the farmers want to be addressed. And then we talk with the technical officers. So that when we are going to the minister, we are going to the minister with resolutions which we have already agreed on and also informed by technical input from the technical officers.
Nyakwara mgajiwa erokamano kuom medo bedo kodwa e chendo mar Migago Morris Juma Ogada Janyahera iwacho